Namaskar. Many people have certain special diet if they have some objective in their mind. If your objective is weight loss, then today I will share with you some very simple, satisfying ideas for breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. I understand that making changes in your diet is challenging, but with the right mindset and some simple tips, you can achieve your weight loss goals. So let's get started with a morning drink. Begin your day with an apple cider vinegar. Just mix about 5 to 10 ml of apple cider vinegar in a glass of lukewarm water and drink it on an empty stomach. Drink apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning with water can help you to burn fat faster. Then comes breakfast. Breakfast is very important for weight loss, and having a protein food in breakfast is a must. Eating breakfast with protein reduces appetite and hunger. It fills you up and you end up eating lesser calories. A protein-rich breakfast will also make you less likely to consume sugary foods later in a day. So make sure that your breakfast is rich in protein. There are plenty of ways to make it easier to fit breakfast into your day. 3 examples of satisfying Indian meals in breakfast are: first, fenugreek moong dal paratha with curd. You may also add jeera powder and black pepper to this. Second, barnyard millet or dalia or oats upma with green peas. Third, beetroot poha with 60 gram boiled moong and green peas or peanuts and cashews. Next comes lunch. Make sure that your lunch is balanced with proteins, carbohydrates, and other nutrients. Only eat as much as required so that you feel hungry after 4 hours. If you do not feel hungry after 4 hours, then you are overeating at lunchtime. Let this be an indication to control your size of meals. Your lunch needs to give you energy to stay focused and productive for the rest of the day, whether you are at office or you work from home. A protein-packed lunch is a great way to keep you feel energized and alert throughout the afternoon. Here are 2 simple lunch plans that are high in protein. Plan 1. Eat 2 multigrain rotis, 1 bowl or about 200 grams of any gourd sabjis like bottle gourd, rich gourd, bitter gourd, or lady's finger, tinda, or padwal. Along with this, take a bowl of 30 grams of salads, which includes chickpeas or green moong or black chana. Also drink 1 glass of buttermilk. Plan 2. 1 bowl of carrot cucumber salad. Eat a paneer spinach pulao. This pulao should have about 60 grams rice. Also have about 50 grams of paneer and 100 grams spinach. Drink 1 glass of buttermilk. During snack time, you may have green tea with something light like puffed rice or makhanas. Make sure you don't eat more during this time. The ingredients of green tea helps in burning excess carbs and also speeds the body's metabolism. And now we come to the last meal of a day, that is dinner. Help your digestive system to function better by always including warm soups and vegetables in your dinner. Eating early soup-based dinner leads to weight loss and better sleep. It also improves bowel habits and reduces issues like bloating and acid reflux. I will give you 2 dinner plans that are light and delicious. Plan 1. Take 1 bowl of tomato basil soup, 100 grams of any vegetable sabzi, 60 grams of moong dal khichdi, and 1 bowl cucumber carrot salad. Squeeze half a lemon into it. Plan 2. 1 bowl mixed vegetable clear soup. Take 60 gram whole masoor rice pulao, 1 bowl of dudhi sabzi. Remember, the key to weight loss is not just about what you eat, but also how you eat it. With these simple plans for breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner, you can start working on your weight loss goal in a healthy way. Namaskar.